shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for October 20th, 2020. Today is a 20-day, you guys. And I have a feeling it might be a little volatile. I believe we have a deadline today, right? I think Pelosi said that yesterday. Deadline's today. Yep, so put your seatbelts on. 3-point harness. We are currently below some major levels on the SPY. 345, 43, 346, 77, 347, 43, and this 352, 45. Unless we get stimulus, right? If we make an announcement today, and it's a good one that the market likes, and we go above those levels, all right, the party's on. But if we don't, look out below. So please be nimble. We're going to be bullish above 347.50, bear below 342.50. Let's go and head over to the Russell, IWM. Bullish above 163. Now, the Russell is above all these dark pool levels, by the way. Definitely the strongest because it's above the recent dark pool prints, but anything could change with one tweet. Bullish above 163 and bear below 160.50. As long as you know the levels, that's the most important thing. Let's go to the Qs. All right, let's check out where these Qs are. Most recent level, 285.73. We're just literally right on it. Yep, that's going to be key today to watch. We'll be bullish above 287.50, bear below 284.50. Let's head on over to the E-minis. All right, E-minis, bullish above 34.50, bear below 34.37.50. The NASDAQ futures will be bullish above 11,800, nice round number. Bear below 11,700, another round level. Yeah, we'll see which way we go. The suspense, all right? The suspense is killing us. All right, let's go to those oil futures. They've been bouncing around. Yep, we pretty much have been playing pivot pong today. Yep, so we went right up to R1, came back down to the pivot, then to the Camarilla, took a bounce. We're going to be bullish above 41.40. Got some pretty wide levels because they've been bouncing it. And bear below 40.50 right here. Yeah, that's a wide no trade zone, but I'm not really loving it in there. So we'll see. We'll see where oil wants to go. But let's head on over to the gold pit. Gold futures are waiting for that stimulus to come. All right, we're going to be bullish above 1914. All right, there's a nice wide open space there, and we're going to be bearish below 1900. Okay, if we go below there again, pretty wide no trade zone for me on that. Now let's head on over to the individual stocks. Okay, let's start out with Apple. Apple's been on the high volume pre-market list. Yeah, pretty much every day. Definitely one of the first ones I go to. It has the most volume when I come in the morning, which is really early. We're going to be bullish above 119.20. And we're going to be bearish below 116. Now, we are below the recent dark pool level 120.41. That's really key for swing trading. Yeah, if we were to close above that, that would be bullish. But keep in mind that Apple's earnings are coming out on October 29th after the market closes. All right, so we still have a couple more days before earnings. Now, NIO has a lot of activity this morning as well, over 1 million so far traded. We're going to be bullish above 28.50, and we're going to be bearish below 27.25. I kind of went a little bit wide on that. I wanted to be below the 4 EMA. So because we're so close to this, it can get choppy. So this is our short trade, and this is our long trade. If there's a big distance between, where it's trading and the 4 EMA, like this right here, Then there's a nice retracement trade down to the 4 EMA. But when it's kind of right there, I want to give it a little bit extra room. Let's go to Tesla. Earnings tomorrow. Yep, so it could have a killer move today. Sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. It waits till earnings, so we'll see. But bullish above 442.50 and bearish below 432. All right, Procter & Gamble already reported earnings, and it's up 1.7% on about 84,000 shares so far. Going to be bullish above 146.50. All right, bearish below 142 for a retracement trade. IBM also reported earnings, and it's gapping down. Is it going to be a drop and drop or a drop and pop? So if it can break above 122.50, could be a drop and pop. But just, watch these guys. Lots of moving averages. Yeah, so if it does start to move up, it's going to get into resistance right there. That would be our big target right there on the retracement trade. If not, bear below 121.25 for a bigger move down. 120, really big level. I would assume there's going to be some buyers there. We have been there, recently. So maybe not as much as if it was the first time we were coming down to it. Let's go to Bank of America. They already reported, so we're safe with that. And we had a retracement trade yesterday back to the 8 EMA, and then it turned down. This was a great short. Today, we're going to be bullish above. We had some prints yesterday, 2404. 2405. So if we go above that, above 2413, yeah, there'll be a trade back to that 8 EMA at first. If not, the bear trade is much easier. Bearish below 2380. Yep, that is a much easier trade going with the trend. Let's go to JKS, which has been on a crazy tear. You can see it's been really just riding the 4 train every time it went away, came bounce. Yep, is it going to do that again? Well, that's why I have bearish below 76. Or is it going to move higher? So bullish above 77.50. Let's go to Snap. We had those big prints a couple days ago, and we have earnings today after the close. So somebody obviously knows something. Pre-earnings momentum trade today. Please don't hold into earnings. That's gambling. We're going to be bullish above 29.20 and bear below 28.40. And of course, Albertsons. A lot of the traders in the pit have been trading this one. Awesome. We had those really unusual prints that Donda called out. Nice job, Donda. Bullish above 15.20 and bearish below 14.40. There you have it. Those are your whispers for October 20th, 2020. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Can you keep it? My secret. My secret.